Well, hiya, pals. It's your boy, Mickey Mouse. You wanna come see the weather outside, aw? It's motherfucking snowing outside. Aw. Let's go check out the under window, aw. Oh. Did you look at that, aw? God, I hate snow, aw. Ah. It's coming down. Ah. Ah.
Make sure that your cheese is in any of your guys' rooms. I guarantee she won't last very long.
This is shit. Ah. Well, Mickey just looked at the weather and it's snowing outside in April? That makes no sense. Oh, it is snowing outside. Holy shit. Ah. Oh, Mr. Mr. Golden Sun, please shine through these clouds. Ah. Would you look at that? The sun came out. Ah. Finally, the sun finally came out, guys. Ah. And it's nice and bright. Ah, isn't it a beautiful day today? Ah. The sun finally came out. Wow. After that raging snowstorm, the sun finally came out. Ah, I guess you were right, Mickey. You see, I'm always right, The sun finally came out. Now it's going to be nice and bright out here. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Bye, guys.